Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin rin tayo ni bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video mo ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa talentadong Pinoy na naman na nagpamalas ng kanyang husay sa mundo ng pag-awit na talagang pinag-usapan at pinusuan ng netizens. So, ito nga guys si Daniel Abaricio. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright. So, here we go.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will.
Yung ganda ng boses niya.
I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through.
Ang
If
lamig
I
ng
had
boses niya, no?
only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Wow.
Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair.
Ooh.
Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it.
Grabe. Wala ba 'tong full video? Anyway, yung ganda ng boses niya, ang sarap pakinggan, ang linis-linis kumanta, yung diction, sobrang clear at 'pag kumakanta siya, kung gagaling sa puso. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung pag-awit niya, talagang napipil ko yung pag-awit niya, yung emosyon talaga, kumo-connect talaga sa heart ko. Anyways, good job kuya, sobrang husay at isa kang magaling na mga awit. Alright? Kung nagustuhan niyo to guys, bigyan to malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!